What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Dukes RC. Today I have my team associated Apex2 HOONITRUCK. If you have seen my prior videos, I had set this truck up for drifting. I put a set of MST drift wheels on here. These tires are pretty good. The only thing is they're a little weak on the hub parts, and so I hit a stone wall and this part right here cracked on one of the wheels. It still works fine, does have a little wobble in it, but I picked up a set of the replacement HOONITRUCK wheels. It did come with the same exact wheels but with rubber tires when this truck was brand new, but they didn't have these tires available at the time. These are specifically for drifting, so that the hard plastic type wheels versus the rubber. I did have the rubber ones on there, but I did a lot of burnouts and killed those tires, so I put these drift tires on here, which lasted for a good while. Nothing wrong with them. They are weak, they crack because the hub, as you can see, these wheel spokes are a little thin. I think these stock wheels are a lot more beefier, but we'll see how well this plastic holds out. I will have the part numbers in the description below, so if you want to look for that. Also, I'm installing, this truck comes out with the provisions for front and rear sway bars. The Apex touring chassis did have those parts available at the time. I cross-referenced them and did find the part numbers. They don't sell it as a kit, but I got the anti-roll bar hardware. So this will be the ball fittings. These are the threaded studs. And this is the torsion bar itself. They had a bunch of different weights. I did a little bit of research. This seems to be the common one used. I just figured I'd put something in there, see how it is. Also thought this would be maybe helpful for drifting, who knows. It's a pretty cool modification. These trucks don't really have anything for them, so I figured I'd do something different. And of course you need the end pieces. We'll be using these little ones. Alright, so we get this truck opened up and we'll get it installed. Now I did, see a prior video, install LED lights. These are basically extra bumper lights from one of my rock crawlers. Took off the paint from the headlights, just used a little nail polish remover. Cleaned it up. Plug this into the receiver. You got lights. I'll probably do something for the rears later. I gotta get this cut out or somewhat. As I was mentioning, here are the provisions for the front sway bar, as well as a little nub on the arm that the ball end joint cooks onto. So keep in mind the front and rear setups on these HOONITRUCKs are exactly the same. Now I also did need these flathead bolts to hold in the sway bar into these holes here. It'll pinch the sway bar down. Could not find that part number through Team Associated, so I got the ones from Traxxas. It'll work. Part number. Might be a little long, but these holes go straight through, so I don't think it matters. Front and rear. So we get it installed. These will get tightened, whatever the measurement is. I'll just install this one into this. Now these maybe, I think these were a little more deeper offset, so they stuck out a little more. This one might be just a tad bit in, maybe like that. Not much. I don't think so. Yeah, so these tires just stick in a lot more. Suspension is a lot stiffer. Check analyze blue parts. So these tires are not as wide as the other ones were. But this still did the trick. Some drift action. Please comment, like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.